Ankiris Tondai, Shingin Cinderaka, Ukonina Syndicate, Chandira.
Give me 5 minutes more.
Killer Saint Berilda. Chikatawa.
What? Already 7:30. Oh, come on. Time to get up now. I'm good. Back in there. Ready? Gonna be late. Gotta go to school. First day, man. Yo, bro, I need a new body spray. Send me one, okay? Well, that was fast. What's this? Box? I'll try it later, man. Definitely. But now, I gotta go to school first. This is Bulldog. This is not real. My hair is still... I'm sorry. I'm new here, so can you show me this? Sure. Bro, ang ginagawa mo?
Bagong student lang kasi siya dito, kaya tinututo siya dito sa campus.
Ah, ganun ba? Nagmumukha siyang mayabang tong kalbong to eh. What the F are you saying, man? Why you saying in my face? Oh,
Uy! Uy, ano ba? Tama na yan! Tama na yan!
It's time to use my secret weapon. I feel something weird.
Gwapo-gwapo mo naman! Ano pa nga dyan?
Ang bango-bango mo! Kiss kita! Tara, sama ka sa akin.
Tara!
Ay, tara. Babayaran mo ako ah.
New box for men. Even tough guys will fall. Alright. Yeah.
Yo!